Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Now remember, if you're a commercial real estate agent, the zoning that a property has is extremely important. There will be an alphanumeric zoning designation associated with the use. For example, an area might be R1 versus R3, or C1 versus C3. That number next to the letter does not refer to the number of units. So C3 does not mean you can build 3 commercial structures. R3 might not mean that you can build 3 residential structures. Rather, it refers to the level of restriction on the lot. So the higher that number is, the lower the level of restriction. So a C3 use will allow you to do more with that lot than a C1 use will. In the case of manufacturing, an M3 use will mean that you can do more with the property than an M1 use. So M is typically industrial or manufacturing. So if you want to pollute more, let's say, you'll need an M3 use, right? The higher that number is, the lower the level of restrictions, the more you can do with it. If you want to build more units, you're going to need R3, not R1. So remember, that number next to the letter doesn't refer to the number of units. Rather, it refers to the level of restriction on a lot. The higher that number is, the lower the level of restriction.